guys, what is up today? We are going to do, let's just say a video about, well, let's just say we're going to do a tutorial video in After Effects. A lot of my tutorial videos for tutorials with Stephanie is basically, I've done with Premiere, I've done Avid, I've done Pro Tools, and I have done Photoshop. But in After Effects, I have not done After Effects. I have used After Effects for how many years and we're going to show you how to do more like create a typewriter effect in After Effects and make your video like if you need a typewriter. I know I always need, if I need a typewriter for a film or if a client of mine is like more business type, typewriters are the best way to go. I'm just saying. Yeah. So we're gonna just do that for that. Yeah. So let's get started right now. And do a typewriter effect. As you know, I'm actually working on my 10-year video for you guys, and I'm gonna do a little typewriter effect. As you know, I already started on this, but I'm gonna show you how I did this part. You see how it's like, like that? So I'm gonna show you how you can do that. It's very simple, actually. It's very easy and simple how you could actually create that. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit, can I just hit new sequence? I just hit new project then. I guess I just do that then. Yeah. Okay, so everything is good. I usually do 1080 29.97. You can use 4K, but I would not recommend it because a lot of people don't have 4K anymore. You know, a lot of people out there don't have 4K. Just saying, they don't have 5K. So I would recommend just using 1080. 1080 29.97 is a great range. Use square pixels, drop frame, advanced. And this is just Classic 3. If you want to use Cinema 480, that's fine. I would recommend using rendering in Classic 3 for this particular project. Cinema 480 is mostly like if you want to do into cinematography, into motion. There's an app I believe After Effects has with, what is that thing called? I know I have it on here. Oh, After Effects. Oh, here it is. Cinema 480 Lite. You can easily add that into that. That's another day. Yeah. So I'm just gonna use that. I wonder if I should change it. I'm gonna change the background color to white because that's what I wanted. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I did that. So I'm gonna change it into white. I'm gonna go up to text up here. See the little text. I'm just gonna type 10 years. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh wait a minute. I have it on white, don't I? Of course I have it on white. I'm gonna make it black. Why did I type 2? I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna just make it black. 10 years. Now, and then dot. Dot, dot, dot. Okay. I'm gonna just straighten up. Oops. I'm just gonna straighten it up like right about here. This is the most easiest way. It's less. I when I use After Effects, I like using template because template is so much easier. You get it done, you get it done for your project. And I'm just gonna straighten it up right here. That's simple. Just straighten it up like, good grief. And I'm gonna go up to the effects, and I'm just gonna say, I already have this open. I'm just gonna type TypeWriter. Oops. Now for this one, there will be multiple T's, and for After Effects, they already have a TypeWriter effect, so you are good. So just all you have to do is drag that onto the Google, and you see how it disappeared. This is really fun. When you go down here into your timeline, you have keyframes. This is a keyframe. I know a lot of After Effects, and yeah, that's how you do it. So that's one way. Yeah, that's how you do it. For this particular project, I can take this into Premiere. That's another video for you guys. So yeah, that is how you do it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It's simple. Yeah, it's very simple. You know. For this particular project, I'm going to add it into Premiere, and I'm going to add the sound of typing. You know how typing, how you have the sound of special effects. I add that to the special effects to my project timeline. So I'm not going to show you that part because this is an After Effects type. So that is pretty much it. That's how you do it. So yeah. If you're out there that needing this special guide on this, let me know in the comments below on, yeah, that's how you do it. Alright, so yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure you follow me all over it of @SemiNewsLive, and see ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.